how to create mock-up images like this in Canva. Let's get into it. So jumping straight into Canva here, we can see that I have the design I've already made here. But I'm going to show you how I made this and how you can also apply mock-ups to other things such as cups, phones, laptop screens, other apparel, etc. So the first thing that we need to do is get to the mockup section of Canva. So I'm going to start by creating a fresh page on my project. Next, what we want to do is go over to the left panel where it says apps and click on that. Next, we want to go into the search menu and search for mockups. And the option we want is this option here. We can then click on this and then Canva is going to load all of the different options it has for mockups. For this example, we're going to use apparel, and I'm going to scroll down to find the image that I used in this example. So here I have the image of a girl wearing a t-shirt, and we're going to put our design on the back of this t-shirt. Now what I'm going to do is import my image that I want to use on the back of this design. I'm just going to drag this into Canva, and with our image imported onto the design, what we need to do next is click onto the image and drag it on top of the mockup. Canva is going to work a little bit of magic, do some loading, and we'll be able to see the graphic that we imported is now part of that hoodie there. You can do the exact same type of thing on any of these designs. So say for example you want to put something into a smartphone screen, if you want to put something onto a computer screen, if you want to put something onto home and living, so a bag or a cushion or a mug. There's a lot of really cool options that you can utilize to create your mockups in Canva. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.